Let's see the solution of this logical reasoning set. Difficulty level of this set is easy. So it is a very, very doable question in exams. So let's see the set. The above is a schematic diagram of walkways indicated by all the straight lines and lakes, three of them each in the shape of rectangles, shaded in the diagram of a gated area. Different points on walkway are indicated by letters A through P, with the distance being OP. This is OP, 150 meters. ON is equal to MN. ON, MN, it is given 300. ML, 400. EL, 200. D, 400. Okay. And here, following additional information about the facilities in the area is known. Condition number 1, the only entry or exit point is at C. There are many residences within the gated area. All of them are located on path AH, this is, and ML, this is, with four of them being AH, M, and L. A, H, M, and L. The post office is located at P, this is, and the bank is located at D. So these are additional informations. So let us attempt the questions. Question number 1. One resident whose house is located at F needs to visit the post office as well as the bank. What is the minimum distance? Okay, minimum distance he has to walk is starting from his residence and returning to his residence after visiting both post office and the bank. So here in this question, the important point is the minimum distance. Okay, it's starting from L. So the path is like this is LK, then KO, then OP, then PI, then IG, and then GB, and then B to C, and then C to F, F to E, and E to correct. So now it is given 300, so this is 300. Actually, it is 400 and 300, right? 400, 300 means this is also 400, 300. So Pythagoras theorem, this diagonal will be 500 and it is given 150. This is 400. It is 150 and this is 200. So 150 and 200 means Pythagoras theorems by using the diagonal is 250. Okay. Then 400, 300, 400, 300, and finally this 200. Add it, and this will be our answers. So let's see this 300, 300, 300, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 into 300 going to be 900. Then 401, 2, and this 3. 3 into 400. This is 1200. Then one diagonal 500 and this is 250. So it is 750. And then this 200 and this 150. These three times. So this is any point left. 5 into 750, 200 plus 150. Okay, so this is 0. 5 right there. 9 to 11, 7, 18, 18, 3, 21, and 1, 2, and answer is 3200. Now see the next question. Next question is, one person enters the gated area and decide to walk as much as possible before leaving the area without walking along any path more than once and always walking next to one of the lakes. Note that he may cross a point multiple times. How much distance will he walk within the gated area? So, okay, the important point is he cannot uh, walk along any path more than once, while multiple times he can visit on any particular point, and always he walks next to one of the lanes. How much distance will he walk within the gated area? So entry and exit both from points. So let's see this. Since he has to return to point C, and it is given that he cannot walk along any path more than once. So from C, this is this is this 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 E C to D to E, E to F, F to K, K to L, L to M, M to A, N to K, and K to J, and J to G, and G to F, and F to C. So here, this way, every time he is walking along the lakes, one of the lakes, and he is not repeating any path more than once. Okay, so now add it is 300. This is 300, 300, 300, 400, 400, and it's also 400, 400. This is 300, 300, and this is 200. Okay, so now simply count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 300 horizontal lines, 6 times 600, 300, it is 1800. Then after this, 400 vertical line, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and 400, this is 1600. And then this 200 and this 200, 2 to the 4. So add it, this is 38. Answer is 38. This is question number 2. Let's see question number 3. One resident takes a walk within the gated area, starting from A and returning to A without going through any point other than A more than once. What is the maximum distance she can walk in this? So look here. If she goes from A to D directly, then it is a 150, 300, and 300 means 750. Correct. But if she goes like first A to B, then B to G, then G to F, then F to C, then C to D. So in this way, these two vertical 400 lines are extra will added, and this become 15. Since our question is about the maximum distance he has to travel, so okay, this path will be suitable for our question. So now it is easy. just A to B, A to B, B to C, G to F, F to C, C to D, D to E, E to L, L to M to N, N to K, A to J, J to O, O to P, P to I to H, and H to. Okay. So now this is 150 plus 300 plus 300. 1, 2, 3. So 150, 300, 300, it is 750. And this 400, 400, 400, 400. Okay, it is 1600. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way here, this is 200 and this is 200. So 2 plus 2, 400. And now this is 400, 400, 400, 400. Means 16. And this is 300, 300, 600 and 157. So added, it is 5100. So now see the next question. Question number 4. Here question number 4. Visitors coming from morning walks are allowed to enter as long as they do not pass by any of the residences and do not cross any point more than once except C. So what is the maximum distance that such a visitor can walk within the gated area? Point is to be noted here. Do not cross any point except C more than once. So okay, suppose C took entry from here, then C to B, B to A is not allowed because A resident is there, A to G, after G, he or she cannot go to H, then he can go this way or this way. It is a matter of maximum distance, so he should go G to J, J to I to P, P to O, and now it is a matter of maximum distance. So O to N not allowed here because M and L resident, and N to K at this point, and then K to F, and then F to E, E to D, and D to C. Okay, so this is a path for maximum distance. Because from here he cannot go to L, from here he cannot go to M. So the maximum path is, so now add it. It is 300, 300, right? This is also 300. And here it is 300. Right? So add it 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 300 is 12. Then this is 400 and this is 200, 150, 400, 150, and this is 400, this is 200, and this is 400. Okay, so 1 400, 2 400, 3 400, and 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 into 400, 16. Okay, now this 200. So 2 into 200 is 400. And now there's 150 and 150. 2 into 150. This is 3. So this is 0, 0. 2 से आंसर बढ़ाते चलना 1 35 answer is 35. So this is question number 4.